Did you know that there were as many as 5 churches in Piazza Sant'Agata? It seems impossible, but in the mid-18th century, as many as 5 churches overlooked what is now Piazza Sant'Agata. Let's see which ones. The Church of Sant'Agata, dating back to the 14th century, which still dominates the square that bears its name. The magnificent Church of the Holy Spirit, which was historically associated with the confraternity of the Blessed Sacrament under the title of the Holy Spirit, is situated directly adjacent to the current bell tower.
Adjacent to this was the small church belonging to the Benedictine nuns' monastery, which stood where the town hall is located today. The cloistered nuns were granted access to it through a suspended arch that connected the convent to the church. The Church of Madonna del Monte was situated where the hall of the Church of Sant'Agata now stands, as clearly evidenced by historical documents that confirm the boundaries.
The fifth church was that of Maria Santissima degli Agonizzanti, which remained standing until the second half of the last century and has now become a multi-purpose center. Around 1856, the Church of Madonna del Monte collapsed, and its area would later be incorporated into the Church of Sant'Agata. Subsequently, the Church of the Benedictine nuns would also lose its functions. After the last remaining church, that of the Holy Spirit, collapsed, the entire area was purchased at the end of the 1800s by Dr. Antonino Vaccaro, who had what is still known today as Palazzo Vaccaro built there.
Quando è stato venduto, il grosso dell'oratorio è stato ceduto al dottore Vaccaro e quindi la confraternita del Santissimo Sacramento, sotto il titolo dello Spirito Santo, si è mantenuta questo accesso. Questo accesso, diciamo che era un accesso alla piazza.
If you like the video, give it a like.
Share it.
And click the follow button so you don't miss the next videos.